mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is, speaking to Lorraine about her page that is taken down. He's saying that he does not have any ill will against her, and he's basically saying that, when she can talk about charity, because there's no problem talking about charity. It's the fact that maybe she used the person's whole name and Facebook deemed that as something else. So he's just giving her some advice on what to do and how to do it, to make it a bit better for her with her page. But he wants everyone to thrive with their pages. So go ahead and watch the video, and please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the merch.
And nothing but the truth. That's what I'm here to do, is to split justice and speak the truth, right? And Lorraine, please don't think I'm trying to speak negatively on you, or I'm trying to tear down. No, that's not what I'm here for. I'm just here to speak the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the actual truth, right? Bear with me, guys, 1 second. Listen. Okay, so here are my thoughts. Here are my thoughts. That's besides the point. Lorraine, this is for Lorraine and Lorraine only. Lorraine, I don't have nothing against you or anyone from your camp. However, these are my thoughts. I feel like you... No, you didn't, Jackie. No, you didn't. You didn't. Go and look for Lorraine Brown. Go and find it and send me the screenshot. When you find it, send me the screenshot, right? Jackie Johnson. When you find it, send me the screenshot of the Lorraine Brown account. Listen, Lorraine, these are my thoughts. These are my thoughts. Like, I feel like you... Yes, I understand you guys are talking about charities, whatever the case may be. However, these are my thoughts and my thoughts only. I feel like you guys, you were on the verge, the borderline of somewhat harassment and bullying of one person. And funny thing, the fact that you were so bold enough to put the person's entire name in the captions of your videos, I'm very sure if that's the reason why the page is gone, Facebook deemed that as harassment or bullying. Seriously, I'm telling you the honest truth. That's exactly what's... If the page really has been deleted and not hidden, if the page has gone by Facebook clearly deemed your headings, your titles as being harassing someone and bullying that one person. Funny thing, there is nothing wrong with talking about charities. Lorraine, there's nothing wrong with speaking about charities. Yes, the monetized page, that's what I'm talking about, Yolanda. It's gone. It is gone. Guys, listen, when I say this, I'm not trying to speak against Lorraine I am not speaking for nobody. However, Lorraine, listen, the way you operated your page, Facebook perhaps deemed that as bullying or harassment. I don't know, but that's one of the things that went through my thoughts why the page got deleted. And for the mere fact that you were so bold enough to put the person's entire name in the caption in your headings, I'm like, I feel like then you were treading on a thin line, You were treading on a thin line there. Or maybe you just didn't care, I don't know. However, Lorraine, listen, there are a lot of charities on the island of Jamaica. Funny thing, listen, Donna ain't doing charity right now. To my knowledge, she's not doing charity. And yes, I understand that you were somewhat reliving the old times, right? And me, don't get me wrong, I played a few of your videos. I played a few of your videos. However, I started to look into myself. I'm like, hold on, Dwayne. Aren't you adding fuel to fire? Perhaps joining the wagon to bully someone or harass someone. And I'm like, listen, I want no parts now. What did I do? I deleted a lot of those videos because I'm like, Don't get me wrong. We can talk about people, right? We can talk about people, but I feel like we should do these things in a respectful way, and you know, maybe some people won't ever get it though. Some people won't ever get it. I am not happy. What are you talking about? Yes, I'm happy because God has blessed me with my life today. God has blessed me with my life today. And I had a shower. I brushed my teeth. I did all of the good things before I come in here. So maybe that's why I'm happy. Right? Listen, I'm not happy for anyone's demise. One thing I would never do is celebrate anyone's page being taken away, anyone's page being deleted, or anything of that magnitude. Please don't get what I'm saying here misconstrued. All I'm doing is just reflecting on perhaps why the page has gone. Darling, I don't come out hard on nobody no more. I stay in my own lane and do my own thing. If I see something on the media I want to talk about, I do so. Or if I see something on the media I want to bring to my audience and let my audience speak on it, that's what I do. Don't say I don't speak hard on nobody. Zero. All I do is speak on things I see happening on social media. And one thing I'm not is a bitter person. And listen, see me. I listen, people. You guys may feel like I hate people on here. I don't hate nobody. I've always maintained and said I wish everyone well on here. I really do. I wish everyone well. However, we listen. I'm gonna say one more time. We can talk about things, and we can talk about each other. However, I feel like we should do these things in a respectful way. I am going to block you, Georgina. I'm going to block you. I am not a bully. I don't bully nobody. But you speak. Listen, funny thing, I'm not blocking anyone. I'm not going to block anyone. You are entitled to your opinion, Georgina. But yeah, back to what I'm saying about Lorraine. Lorraine, I feel like, and this is not a dig. This is not a dig at you or anyone in your camp. However, I feel like there were a lot of other charities, and yes, you've focused your platform on charities who you claim are doing wrong, allegedly. I'm gonna use the term allegedly because I can't say yay or nay, allegedly, right? But I feel like you should have spoken about all of them and not just focus on the one person. You take. I will wait patiently, Shelley. I'm waiting patiently. I'm waiting. I feel like you should have focused on all of them and not just one. Mind you, that one wasn't doing charity right now. And me, don't get me wrong, I did take a few. I'm gonna say one more time. I did take a few of your videos and I brought them here and allowed my audience to speak on them. However, after me starting to look into, I'm like, hold on, Dwayne, what's happening here? What is happening here? Like the person they are talking about isn't doing charity. I was given light to what she was saying. Funny thing. That's why I just stopped with all of that mess because, I'm not a bully and I'm not a person who wants to harass other people who, are in the media trying to do good. Whatever the case may be. This is the day that the Lord. Hey guys, don't listen. But my God, Lorraine, I would encourage you. I heard you had a new page, and I did find your new page last night. But I would encourage you to be more mindful with the things you put out on your page, and also stop focusing on the one person, because you focusing on one person and one person only, it only makes you seem like you're you really have a vendetta against that person, and not just a vendetta. It's like you have some kind of hate in your heart for that person, and that's how it seems to me, and that's how it seems. I'm very sure a lot of people may see what I see. I feel like that's why I just stopped giving like to your videos, because I didn't want to be a part of that mess, to be speaking on someone who clearly isn't doing charity right now. And mind you, there were a lot of other pages who were doing charity. So I feel like you should have more geared your topics of conversation to the ones who are doing charities, if you felt like there was something to highlight from those people who are doing charities, and not this one who wasn't doing charity.